Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren today announced 2.5 crore rupees for renovation work of Iboyaima Shumang Leela Shanglen. Chief Minister N. Biren said this while attending the closing ceremony of 21st Shumang Leela Ningtham Kumhai 2024. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren lauded Shumang Leela artists in the state for creating awareness about issues which are important to society even during COVID-19 pandemic. Chief Minister also added the Shumang Leela title, The 3rd May, was also written after much deliberation with the aim to promote peaceful coexistence in the state. While appreciating the significance of Shumang Leela, Chief Minister also announced 2.5 crore rupees to renovate Iboyaima Shumang Leela Shanglen at Palace Compound. As part of closing ceremony, various awards were presented to 11 selected artists. Renowned theatre director Ratan Thiam was conferred with the prestigious Pidonu Award on the occasion. The highlight of the closing ceremony was a special Shumang Leela performance titled The 3rd May, featuring select artists from different Shumang Leela groups.
Shumang Leela sana ko na COVID vaccine di kanino si kap ra di kamay tawi misi masih kap pada na pra na de side effect lai lai de sa drama away na sana may listing ani gumba ay thidin lai gide adu atay state de ta shunagi na na tabi no ko awareness phachana matam sana bihoba section min no ge ko kanno mo ge na shi shune Manipur ge hujik thulai be issue se Karino hai base aap taminaba matamda unity lakani unity united we stand si lekla di yaro tune khangadi ulakani khangadi yaro basi bhawgata thoi beran se ki core issue se karino se khangdabun masing ya emotion nasali actually koi se kaya myam ne koi se threaten laira community no state no khangdo wanadi adana madugi maram dudra ayam mai Shumang Leela kangun na si shugo Leela ma sana binan maya no ipador ba education bibi gadone awareness bibi gadone